Mitsubishi grandis installed for One Go 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player OG-AD810. Okay, connect with reverse camera. And original roof monitor. So Mitsubishi grandis. This is modified fixed in 10.1 inch. Screen will fix outside dashboard frame. Okay, by universal bracket. OEM socket plug and play. Okay, full menu. Play Store, log in Gmail to download app. Waze, YouTube, Spotify. Okay, file manager. Android player 10.1 inch. No DVD, no SD card. It's got a USB. Two USB extension. We'll put in the drawer. 1 gig RAM, 16 gig storage. Car setting. System info. 1 gig RAM, 16 gig storage. Okay, sound setting for equalizer. Factory setting, password 8888. GPS detect. It's got a GPS antenna. Volume setting, preset volume. Brightness, daytime and nighttime. Styling control setting. Change your boot logo. Crop file size. Picture size is to 1024 x 600 BMP file. Other setting. Reverse music mute. Okay, and radio. So choose the frequency you want. Then press save. Okay. Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Video input and video output. Video in. Okay, video file. User menu, e-menu. Android player, you have to clear apps. Press here, create one by one or close all. So this is Android player, 10.1 inch, One Go brand. OG-AD810, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage, 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen, a curved screen. Modified install in Mitsubishi grandis by OEM socket plug and play. Fixed by universal bracket. Screen fixed outside panel frame. Okay, installed by one piece. Our shop in Cheras, Square, Balakong. Thank you.